Hey there, truck enthusiasts! Welcome back to Vehicle School. Today, we're tackling a common issue: Ford F150 door won't unlock with key. Don't worry, we've got you covered with some troubleshooting steps. Unlock the full tutorial and detailed steps in the article linked in the description. Let's get together. Point 1. Inspect the fob switch. Press the unlock switch. Listen for a click sound. Replace the fob if no click. Point 2. Replace the driver door lock fuse. Head to the fuse box behind the passenger kick panel. Look for the 20A fuse, free inside the BCM fuse box. If it's blown, replace it with a new 20A fuse. Then, try using the key fob to unlock the door again. Point 3. Replace dead batteries. Here's how to do it. Release the emergency key and open the fob. Replace the battery and test the key fob. If that doesn't work, it might be the truck battery. Here's how to jumpstart it. Connect the battery charger and try unlocking with the remote. If it fails, manually unlock the driver's side door. If needed, jumpstart the truck and try unlocking again. Point 4. Charge the truck battery. Here's how to check and fix it. Inspect the door-to-pillar wire loom for damage. Seal any gaps and repair damaged sections. Test the door lock system with the key fob for functionality. Point 5. Fix wiring issues. Here's how. Remove the door handle and panel. Disconnect and replace the actuator. Reassemble the door and test the lock. Point 6. Change the actuator. Here's how to address it. Ensure the linkage clip is securely attached or replace it if damaged. Test unlocking the door with both the handle and key. Point 7. Fixing clip issue. Cycle the ignition and follow the steps to program the new remote. Point 8. Configuring a new remote. Sit in driver's seat with both remotes. Cycle ignition 8 times. Wait for doors to lock/unlock. Press lock on both remotes within 20s. Verify each remote works. Exit programming mode. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.